Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pinterest to Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Pinterest to your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin, navigate to the App Store. Search for the Pinterest app in the search bar. Once you find the Pinterest app, click on it to open. Next, click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to a permissions page. Review the permissions that the app requires. If you agree, click on the Install App button. Now, you will be prompted to sign in to your Pinterest account. Enter your Pinterest credentials and log in. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for Shopify to access your Pinterest account. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to the Shopify app. You should now see a dashboard with options to set up your account. Click on the Claim Your Website option. Follow the instructions provided to claim your website on Pinterest. This process typically involves adding a meta tag to your Shopify theme. If needed, head over to your Shopify admin and click on Online Store. Then, select Themes and click Actions on your current theme. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Locate the theme.liquid file under the Layout folder. Paste the meta tag you copied from Pinterest into the head section of the theme.liquid. Save your changes to apply the meta tag. Return to the Pinterest app on Shopify and click on Done after claiming your website. Now, explore options to set up your product catalog on Pinterest. You can choose to enable automatic updates for your product listings. Proceed to create a Pinterest tag to track conversions. In the Pinterest app, locate the Tag Setup option. Follow the prompts to generate your Pinterest tag. Copy the tag and return to your Shopify admin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.